The aircraft and its armament are the product of extensive development and both ground and air testing. Only the high-speed camera can record the tremendous stream of lethal firepower released from each pod in the split second the rockets are fired. 3,000 pictures a second were exposed to record these test firings carried out during the development of the rocket pod. Air testing of the rocket firing system was carried out at a Royal Canadian Air Force proving establishment before the present techniques of attaching fully loaded rocket pods were evolved. The number of rockets used in these tests was less than is now used in squadron service, and nose and tail pod fairings were omitted, but the tests served to prove the effectiveness of the fire control system. The soundness of the CF-100 basic design is attested by its versatility. In addition to its interceptor role, it may be equipped with underwing racks for the carriage of up to 4 1,000-pound bombs. It may be used as a high-speed target towing aircraft, a valuable aid in the training of interceptor air crews. The CF-100 Mark 3D trainer is in service with the Royal Canadian Air Force to prepare aircrew personnel for service in CF-100 fighter squadrons. The use of the aircraft as a launching platform for guided missiles is not being overlooked. CF-100 Mark V, a high-altitude version of the airplane with extended wings, is already in service with the Royal Canadian Air Force. In response to a specific NATO requirement for an all-weather night interceptor, the CF-100 wears battle camouflage paint while on service with the Royal Canadian Air Force in Europe. An extensive organization stands ready to aid the user in obtaining maximum performance and serviceability in the field. This is the special concern and function of Avro's service department. A team of writers and illustrators with a wide experience of aircraft maintenance are responsible for the preparation of a comprehensive and constantly revised library of manuals and illustrated part lists. Here, copy is finally checked before reproduction. The company maintains complete photographic and printing facilities for the production of the aircraft servicing manuals. A large spares supply department is maintained where replacement parts are prepared for shipment at short notice. an extensive range of both small and large components, packed to avoid damage by deterioration and rough handling, is on hand to meet all service needs. Wherever their services are needed, Avro service representatives are available to help and to advise on correct maintenance and operating techniques. The service representative is the recipient of a constant flow of advanced information on the company's products and a direct link with the engineering, production, inspection, and other departments at the factory. Experienced factory-trained field working parties are available to carry out work beyond the immediate capacity of the user. All these facilities are designed for one purpose and devoted to one end, to ensure that the aircraft is ready to fly, to find and to destroy its target whenever and wherever it is required to do so.
Over the low cone will pass over the field at 4,000 feet.
The CF-100 is not an untried, unproved prototype. It is now in multi-squadron service with the Royal Canadian Air Force and is the first line of defense over the northern reaches of the North American continent. It has operated in temperatures as high as 110 degrees Fahrenheit and as low as 50 degrees below zero over the unfriendly ice deserts of the subarctic. These CF-100 aircraft of the Royal Canadian Air Force maintain constant patrol in the freezing northern skies and are being successfully maintained and flown under conditions as arduous as any they might meet with elsewhere.